challenging part, I think every aspect of it. Kasi even though I've competed already internationally before, this one is a different ballgame. So learning about Supernational and of course knowing our game plan, papuntang Poland. Very, very excited to showcase what I have prepared to the Supernational team.
Okay. What message do you want to convey to your fellow candidates and in the international community?
Sabi ko nga in my salo, I would truly show them the warmth of the Filipino people, the heart that we have. And I think this one would really shine. Just as long as my authenticity will really shine in the Supernational school.
Paano mo naman i-introduce ang Pilipinas sa mga kapwa mo candidate dun sa Poland?
Oh, I would really tell them the beauty of the Philippines. It's not just about our beautiful beaches, our mountains, but of course, yung mga Filipino, the hospitality that we have, the warmth, the care that we love for other people. So I'm very, very excited to really bring the Philippines with me.
At ulitin natin yung tanong na during your press conference, kung naging advantage ba o disadvantage yung paghihintay mo ng 1 year?
I think both disadvantage and advantage, but of course, it's more of really knowing where or what aspects you would really focus on. And for me, this past few months, I've really been preparing, lahat talaga I put everything, my heart, 101% na talaga ako ready. And I'm very, very excited to showcase everything that I've been preparing.
At kaya bang may uwi yung pangalawang call for the Philippines?
Kaya mo. I think this time, 13 years, and I think this is the time that the Philippines truly will have the Miss Supernational, the Miss Supernational 2026 crown.
Okay. What makes you a strong candidate for the title Miss Supranational 2020?
I've been in pageantry for over 7 years. I've been doing a lot of things. This Supernational wants someone who is aspirational and inspirational. In all of the categories, I think I all tick the boxes. So I'm ready to work with the organization and showcase everything talaga. And I'm just ready for the work, for the job of Supernational.
Message? Message mo naman sa mga supporters mo, sa mga netizens sa laban mo, sa journey mo sa Miss Supranational
Of course,
2020.
maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin. Patuloy na sumusuporta. And sana po, lagi niyo po ako supportahan. This coming July 31, follow us in the social media platforms of International para you guys know the updates and all the ganap of International. And hopefully, you guys may hindi talaga natin ang second Miss International.
Yes. Saka intro na. Hindi mo yung natin sa trade.
Of course, syempre, diba, sabi ko kasi, I've been doing a lot of things, not just in pageantry, but off the campus also. So I think Miss International wants someone who is ready for the job, and I will do whatever it takes to bring home the Miss International.
Yung intro.